Hello, namaste. I want to talk to you on something that I'm encountering these days. You know, many clients come to me uh, to help their parents. These clients somehow they have turned a little bit spiritual. They have learned Reiki or they are doing some sort of spiritual practice, chanting mantras or whatever. But their parents, especially fathers, they don't believe in any of these things. They have absolutely no spiritual practice and they have reached the last stage of their lives. So, if they're healthy and doing their work, there is absolutely no problem. But they're having some problem, they're having suffering pain, lack of mobility, all those things. And being a spiritual healer, I know that there are many things that can help them. Even if they just learn Reiki and do everyday Reiki healing, it is going to be a tremendous help for them. But they don't believe in Reiki. They are not ready to invest the time in daily healing practice. Okay, sometimes it's so difficult to even communicate. They do not understand ABCD of spirituality and energy beyond this physical body. For them, this physical body is all that is, and no knowledge of energy beyond this body. So I am in a dilemma in many situations because I know I can help. I know the practices which I do can help, not me. I'm not helping, I'm just being a facilitator. But even so, for Reiki, even belief is not needed, but it's just an open mind. Give it a chance, do the healing and see for yourself. Okay? Because Reiki works for plants and animals and inanimate things, so we know that belief is not a must for Reiki to work. But an open mind is. They should be ready to be open, learn Reiki, and do self healing practice. Devote some time for that. So, when they're not ready to do that, we cannot force anybody. Every soul has the right to lead their life as they deem fit. We can't interfere. We can just tell them, yes, I'm in a position to help. Are you interested? If they say no, we have to respect that no. So, in that case, what can be done? So, what can be done is the children should change their mentality. Oh, I'm seeing my parents suffering, I can't. See, they brought their karmic results right now. We cannot change that, especially if they are not ready to do their own part. Just we can be with them in their suffering and change that mentality. I want them to be active. I want them to be energetic. I want them to be pain free. No, remove that you are wanting. Your wanting is not going to be of help anyway, but it is going to destroy your mental peace. Okay, I know it is difficult, but it is not impossible. That's the only way for you to lead a peaceful life. So remember, that person may be a parent in this lifetime. We don't know who they were in a past life relationships. So as a child, you are doing the best by mentally being with them and doing whatever is necessary according to their belief. Okay, if they believe that they should be admitted in hospital, hooked onto all the machines, that is what they believe. You will have to give in, no other way. So do what they believe and change this mentality. I want them not to suffer. No, it's not in your hands. Okay, so remove that thing of your wanting how your parents should be leading their life. It is their life. See them as a different individual apart from no my parent. So when you remove that my, the attachment, and what you want for them, we can still make life peaceful. So that's the advice I have for you today. Bye.